J. Ken presents How to Make Natural Mouthwash. But before we get started, subscribe to our channel, click the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. When you think about using natural products for your oral care routine, one of the things that may not come to mind is your mouthwash. You may think that it is free of chemicals or that, since it is antibiotic rated, the mouthwash is fine. The truth is, it may surprise you just how many chemicals are in a simple mouthwash. If you are looking for ways to avoid chemicals and go natural, consider these natural mouthwash options and how to make them. Find a natural base. The first thing you need to make a natural mouthwash is the right base for your wash. You have several choices with this. You can use a bacterial killing cane alcohol or pure alcohol base. Keep in mind this will be diluted with distilled water, so you do not need that much. Most people use a vodka and water mix for this. The goal is to make a Listerine-style mouthwash. If you do not want to use alcohol as a base, consider using baking soda and water. This works well without the burn and is ideal if you have issues with alcohol. Remember, either option needs to be diluted with water in a 2 parts water 1 part base mixture. Add remedies. You need to figure out what you want your mouthwash to do. Figure out if you are going for a whitening option, a fresh breath option, or if you are trying to keep pain at bay from gingivitis or other oral care issues. Research which essential oils or herbs should be added to the mouthwash and add those accordingly. Keep in mind that pure oils are very concentrated. This means you only need a few drops of the oil. You can add peppermint for typical mouthwash, clove for pain and inflammation, and other mints for various needs. Store correctly. One of the issues many people have with a natural mouthwash gone bad is the way it was stored. Make sure you are storing it in a cool, dry place. Remember, a natural mouthwash does not have the preservatives and other chemicals that keep store-purchased options fresh. You need to store the mouthwash in a glass bottle or jar. This will keep plastics from leaching into the mouthwash, causing other issues as well. The key to keep in mind when you are making your own natural mouthwash is to keep the mixture as pure as possible. This goes for your essential oils as well. Make sure that you are using pure oils and not flavorings or fragrance. Flavored oils contain sugars that should not sit on your teeth, and fragrance is simply for the scent and can contain toxins that are harmful if accidentally swallowed. We thank you so much for watching. If you've liked the video, give it a thumb up, don't forget to share with your friends and subscribe to our channel.